Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at ICP, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a few key factors here and just understand, well, generally speaking, what this means here for us, because we got a pretty significant increase in volume, and we can kind of understand that, with that being the case, that's, well, we're probably going to see some sustainability. Okay, so again, Bitcoin hit 50,000, kind of retesting that level, trying to hold at that level or higher. We could very well see some alts continue to pump here. So just some friendly advice, be very careful trading right now. Okay, so just tight stop losses, make sure that you are keeping your head on a swivel. Okay, don't set it and forget it unless it's a swing trade that has really low leverage, low position sizing. Outside of that, I'd highly recommend just being very careful. So if you're new to the channel, not a financial advisor, I do love teaching people to trade. Hope you can learn something today, and if you want to become a better trader, once more, cryptocash.tech is the website, link down below, and be happy to help you out. Got a trading academy, community, and signals group. It's been really awesome. Super happy to hear that's working very well for my community members. Thank you again so much for the awesome feedback. Again, we got some really cool people over here trading and just having some fun too. Furthermore, too, congrats to our Premium Plus members. Some nice profits here from ETH longs, 15%, 36%, 8.7% from Matic, ADA, and another Matic trade. So Matic, ADA, and ETH have been our money makers here recently. So congrats on that. Once again, if you're using my signals, please just read through the signals guide. Pretty straightforward, folks. Has all the details here. It's provided on checkout too, so make sure you understand. You have to read through that in order to know how my trades work. My risk tolerance is a lot different than yours, so adjust it accordingly. Okay. So daily time frame here for ICP. What's going on? Well, we're still above all moving averages. We know that's awesome. We love to see that. We want to hold true to the fact that the price is more likely to increase than decrease. Everything here is completely bullish. RSI, stochastic RSI, money flow index, all going up. Same thing here with the MACD converging quite strong. So do not trade into this coin. We're above that key level resistance too at about 1270 as we talked previously. This is kind of a volume profile support and resistance level. Again, it kind of varies if you kind of zoom out, but in the most recent past, we've seen a heavy accumulation at that low 13, upper $12 range. Okay, so 1275 is roughly that level. Okay, so now that we're above that, we can presume that the price is going to hold and do fairly well, considering everybody is interested in this price range right now. Okay, so taking a look here, of course, we can again see that 0.618 fib level at 1265. Nice little pivot, almost perfect. Bounce off that 50-day SMA on the 4-hour. We're back up over the 20-day SMA, so more likelihood of further upside. Stochastic swinging up, MACD converging. We've got traditional RSI and MFI all looking quite strong here. Okay, so perfect pivot off that 50 level. That's exactly what I like to see. TD sequential tells us we're really early into this phase here, and strong continuation potential. The only thing that would deter this from happening is if Bitcoin dumps and dumps hard. Okay, Bitcoin can stay at the 49.5, 45K range. 49.5, 50K range. I'm not used to saying 50K. Then ICP will effectively be able to follow suit and do very well for itself. Okay. The key takeaway here is that we got this upper 1350 range that was a previous resistance level and has been tested a few times. You could even argue that this is somewhat of a cup and handle pattern. Okay. So I think that we're in pretty good shape here to see a breakout soon. My money's here on ICP. I think that might be worth considering. If you take entry now, consider a second entry somewhere down in the range of this 0.5 fib here at about 1260, 1280 range, just so you can get filled and average down into a better position. Again, that's just kind of how I like to do it personally, but if you're like the one trade to win them all, just highly recommend low leverage, low position sizing. Taking a look here at Ichimoku Cloud on the hourly, we are about 2 hours above the cloud here. I prefer a good 3 or 4 hours, but the lagging span bring free and clear here with conversion line and baseline kind of getting close, intersecting / breaking above. This is a very positive sign here. I think ICP looks like it wants to run. So all in all, a lot of bullish convergences here. There's really nothing I can see that's outside the ordinary. If we take a look at CC Gold, we've got some nice entry levels here at about the 1280 range. So 1280 to 1290. So we got some pretty good confirming factors. Double check the 15 as well. We got a nice confirming factor at 1270. So that would have been a perfect entry. I know hindsight's 2020, right? Anyways, that's kind of how that works. So generally speaking, good stuff there. I see zero reasons to short and almost every single reason to take a long. Just again, low position size, low leverage, folks. That's king right now. Please make sure you check yourself before you wreck yourself. No, I'm not trying to quote any lyrics there on you, but generally speaking, some people got it right, don't they? Okay, last thing too, also keep in mind, phenomenal exchange. They're adding ICP to their exchange here in a few weeks. Bitunix, if you link it down below, no KYC, no VPN required. awesome benefit rewards. We're going to have a trading competition coming up at the end of the month once we have more trading pairs available. So it's going to be an awesome situation. Thanks again, Bitunix, for that. And thanks for the awesome feedback from my community members too. Glad everything's working very well for you. I hope you all can continue to learn and appreciate the support. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks again for your time. Take care.